Hello, good morning student of class 1. Today is my first class. In this class, I am going to discuss about the first chapter, which is natural things and man-made things. Before going to discuss the chapter, I would like to tell all of you that no need to copy any question and answer discussed here, because I will provide all the question and answer about the related topic as a PDF file. So you can easily download the file from YouTube. Just click on the link below the description on YouTube. But all of you need to do one thing, that write all question and answer on your computer copy. Okay, understand? So let's start. Here you can see the first page of your book. In this chapter, we have to focus on the following topic. Number 1, natural things. Number 2, man-made things. So let's start. Here you can see a teacher and some student in this picture. The teacher is asking some question to the student. So let's see what they were saying. The teacher asked to Ellen, "Come here, Ellen, tell us, who makes your tiffin?" Then Ellen replied that, "My mother makes my tiffin, sir." Then the teacher replied that, "Children, look at the butterfly. Do you think a man made it?" Then the children replied, "No, sir." Then the teacher replied that, "That's correct. Butterfly are made by the nature. Such things are called natural things." Now we are going to understand about natural things and man-made things. So please turn over your page. Here you can see two pictures. In one picture there are many natural things. On the other picture some man-made things are there. Now we need to know about which are man-made things and which are natural things. Here is two question. What is natural thing and what is man-made thing? The man-made thing which are made by man is called man-made thing. If any things like TV, fan, cycle, computer, etc. are made by man or human being, these things are called man-made things. On the other hand, the natural thing is made by the nature. That's why it's called natural things. Here you can see a table. Some examples are given here. First, natural things. What are the natural things example? Number 1, sun, bird, tree, water, fish, duck, flower, monkey, deer, mountain, etc. On the other hand, the man-made things are home, chair, table, clock, books, bags, aeroplanes, train, computer, remote control, etc. So I hope you can understand what are man-made things and what are natural things. So move on to the next page. Here is the picture of your book, page number 9. In the first question, we need to write M if it is man-made object and N if it is a nature object. The first picture is a bus. Bus is a mainly man-made object. That's why we write here M. Next, iron. Iron is also a man-made object. So we write here M. Next, a butterfly. You can see a butterfly. Butterfly is a nature made object. So we write here N. Next, fish. Fish is a nature object made by nature. so we write here n. The next part of the question number B. Here you can see some question. We write here true or false. If a statement is correct, we write true. If the statement is incorrect, we write false. So number 1, the computer is man-made thing. Yes, it is a man-made thing object, so we write here true. Next, water is natural thing. Yes, water is made by nature, that's why we write here T. The sun is man-made thing. No, the sun is not made by man. It is also a natural object, that's why the statement is false, incorrect. The elephant is made by the nature. Yes, the elephant is a natural object, that's why we write here true. A mountain is made by man. This statement is also incorrect. A mountain is a natural object, that's why we write here false. The next question is question number 3. Some pictures are given here. We need to match the following by draw a line. So number 1 is, you can see a computer picture. So computer is made by a man, so draw a line to man-made things. Next, flower is a natural object. Bicycle is man-made object. Next, sun is natural object. Bird is also a natural object. You can do it on your book. So move on to next page. Here is question number 1. Help the honeybee to reach the flower. You can draw a line to complete the picture. This is also your homework. Next, question number B. Draw a computer on your copy and color all the parts of the computer. You can do it on your computer copy, not in the book. Computer copy. So go to the next page. All you need to do, join the dots to complete the picture by draw a single line. It is also complete on your book. Okay, you can see these dots are there, A, B, C, D, E, F. You need to draw a line by A to B, B to C. Only a single line. Draw a single line. This is also your homework. You can do it on your computer copy. Okay, hope all you can understand. This is the main chapter, first chapter of class 1. Okay, I will provide all the question answer on the description box on YouTube. And also I want to tell you one thing, that every student need to read the full chapter carefully for better understand. Okay, so no more today. I am ending the discussion here. We will continue the chapter in the next class. Okay, then goodbye, take care and thank you.